AG Labs, my name is Ben, good morning, hello, welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. And today on this Friday, for the last time a video where you see me every day on YouTube, okay? Starting by the next week, we start our Vimeo channel, and videos cost money, so you have to pay to see the videos. The videos on Vimeo will be much more detailed and a little bit slower, and you see more about diagnostics and measurements. But on YouTube we will do more videos for sure, but only one a week. I gave you about 600 videos until today in the last years, and all for free. So I think the point is now where we just need to start to earn a little bit of money by doing these videos, because they take a lot of time and a lot of unpaid time. Okay, so I got an iPhone 7 here for you, and the phone was used outside in the rain, and after that the phone just doesn't work at all. Doesn't work anymore at all, and the customer needs the important data. The phone was already like that, so it was mailed in like that, so I just can open the phone without disassembling anything. We go to the on hands camera and we just start by that. It was mailed in like that. Okay, so we want to check what about that phone, what about the problem on the phone. Okay, the home button wasn't connected, I don't know why. We open up the screws. Taking out the screen. Having a look for charging. Nothing. Okay. I don't have an ICC Pro here on my table because we have to ship out 100 pieces today to America. But I have a look if... one moment, okay? Here we have an ICC Pro. I don't know if it works. It's the latest version, so we can connect the battery without doing any solder works. Just plug it in. So, and let's see if this is a working device or not. So after plugging in the battery, we always have to do a reset. We have a reset pin now for that. Especially, but no, this was a not working device. I don't know where the working devices are. What about that? Okay, it's a 104 version. Let's see if this is a working device. I don't know, because it's all laying on Ilya's table. A lot of disassembled ICC Pros. Okay, check VCC Main. Let's have a look if this is really the case. Let's just take a picture of that. Arbeiten. I just want to see if I can... Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so let's see if we really got a shot on VCC Main like the ICC Pro says. By the way, what I want to tell the community for a long time, because there are a lot of people, they say, okay, there are many TriStar testers on the market, and this is the original one and this is the original one. People, the first TriStar tester ever came from Turkey, from Latif Mutlua. Give him a little bit of respect, because he does a revolution. He did a revolution for the whole market. So, and every other devices which came later, they just came later. Okay, so And I don't think that our ICC Pro is a copy of anything, because we developed the ICC Pro without having a look at any other device in this world. But if it's around who was the first with a device which can test TriStar on this earth, it was Latif Mutluer. Okay, give some respect to Turkey, please, please. So, and they were the first who sold on the German market. So, what about giving some respect to others? That's for me really a big thing, giving respect to other people. So I just take out the board, because there are a lot of people in this scene. They think they are the only one, or are they the first one, or the best ones. So don't think you are more than you are. Okay, we are all humans, and we are all just human here on the earth, and we are just little small points on this earth. So that's just another thing I just wanted to tell you. Just give some respect for Turkey, okay? So I take out the board, and you see here is corrosion at the back side, and I just want to see if we have a short or not. And yeah, we have a short. The short is here. Let's see. So we have corrosion at the backlight circuit once, and I'm pretty sure we have another short on VCC. I just want to take off the glue stickers on the front and on the back side. So you can see here, this is hardly corroded on the back side of the board at the bottom. Once. And now I just want to take the thermal. What do we see? Yeah, we have the Q heating up. We have the Q heating up. Here, I can show it to you in this video. We have the Q heating up, and we have the backlight circuit heating up. So these are, I hope you can see, all without legs. So the backlight circuit is connected to VCC Main under the backlight IC. Okay, so that's the point why the ICC Pro can detect that. So you see the Q is heating up, So this is a partial short on VCC Main and a short at the backlight circuit. So I just want to get out the cap at the bottom. Okay, I was working at a CPU yesterday. Okay, just taking out the gum. Okay, this was the shorted capacitor. Let's see what about the behavior. On power supply. So short has been gone. What about a boot? Yeah, this looks like a boot. Only a capacitor? So, and if the backlight line is shorted, we get a partial on VCC Main because they are connected over the backlight IC. So, it's just a data recovery job, people. I hope you can see everything. So, for the rest here, I just want to clean that. Hardly burned. Only some water at the bottom of the board caused this error. Okay. This is 2.2 microfarads, 35 volts. So we need that. And I have to order new solder tips because this solder tip is just a little bit too small for jobs like that. And now we need a cap, 2.2, 35, 2.2, 35, here we are. After this video, my next step is doing an iPhone 8 complete board swap. Just waiting for the iCloud boards, I ordered them yesterday on Rexcam. Okay, I think this looks good. And let's check if that device wants really to boot again. Let's see if the screen gets any issues for the water, or if only the board was the problem. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 after just a little short at the backlight circuit, and the backlight circuit is connected to VDD, and that's of course why our ICC Pro told us the right thing. You saw on the terminal that the queue is heating up. So I don't know for the personal pictures, so I just want to cover that. And yeah, it boots up, it boots up. Come on. Yeah, here we are. So you see, it's fully working. I just don't have connected the front camera, so the screen is a little bit dark, okay, because the ambient light sensor isn't connected. But you see it works. Customer can get all his important data out of this phone, and we are done. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at our one-on-one online trainings, and after the Corona pandemic time at the Bottler Repair School Germany again.